Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see from the title, today we're going to be extracting python oil from python fat, and I hope this video helps anyone who's out there trying to do this. So let's get to it. Okay, so first of all, this is my python fat and I got it from Debbie Organics. As you can see, you can just screenshot. If you're in Ghana, you can purchase this. If you're anywhere else of the world, I think you can try and get it. So first off, we're going to need boiling hot water, and then we're going to be needing a plain cloth that it will be easy for oil to pass through, and then gloves. And then yes, so I'm going to be putting my python fat into the hot water, which was not a good idea, and you will see that very soon. So this was the second thing I tried, thinking this was going to work. I tried to do it this way and I don't know what happened. I think I should have left it like this, but then I ended up putting some of the hot water into the bowl and letting it boil. So in a few seconds, you're going to see how it turned out after I did it that way. And yeah, this is it. The bottle, the container was shrinking. So then I decided to pull the content out and put it into a microwave bowl. But before that, I did this again. Yeah, okay, so I did this. Then, yeah, this pretty much worked. I started seeing the oil melting and I decided to cover it with a foil to make it faster. But in a few minutes, it was done. So I didn't think I wasted so much time. And yeah, so I think this is basically like, you can see how I'm doing everything. It's pretty much explanatory and I don't have to talk so much, but yeah. This is it. So if you're going to try this at home, should I just say just put it in a bowl, a microwave bowl that will not melt, and just heat for like 10 to 15 minutes and you should be fine. So the reason why I'm wearing the gloves is because we're trying to keep this as sanitary as possible and not contaminated. So make sure that your cloth you're using is equally clean and fresh. So yeah, just squeeze and squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. And might I say, this python fat is expensive. Oh my god, and it's expensive and it's just for just a little quantity. Anyway, so just keep squeezing and squeezing and squeezing as you're seeing me do. Squeezing, 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 and I'm going to show you what was left out of it. This is what I got after, and that is very small. I squeezed literally everything out, and this is the quantity of python oil that was left after I squeezed. And we are not done, so do not leave, there's more. So I took a bowl, clean bowl, definitely sanitized with hot water to keep it clean, and I'm going to take my python oil, 2.5 tablespoons. I think you're pretty much going to see coconut oil, and then neem tree oil as well, and vegetable glycerine, which helps to moisturize the skin to keep it from being dry. And I'm sure you know the coconut oil also has its bag. And then we have aloe vera gel as well, and then lavender oil, because honestly the smell is not the best. Let me just put that out there. It smells bad to me personally. It actually smells bad, and I don't know. I'm just saying. Yeah, I'm just saying. But yeah, I think we all know the benefits of coconut oil, and then neem oil is also good for stretch marks. So I think combating all these ingredients actually makes it more effective. And I would advise that if you're watching this, you would actually watch to the end of the video, because I have some pretty much important information there that will lead on to my next upload. And if you're like me and you get to the end of the video and you realize that, yeah, I'm just like you and I would like to try the second method, just stay tuned and then wait for my next upload, which is going to be the next Sunday after this. Or if you're just seeing this video way after I posted everything, you probably have to just The link is just going to show whilst you're watching this video, and you'll be able to click. So yeah, I basically put 2.5 spoons of the python oil, and the rest of the ingredients I added half a tablespoon of each. And yeah, so I would say the aloe vera gel I actually used 3/4 instead of half of a tablespoon of it. So the gel actually sort of solidifies the mixture and makes it thick. You might not see it now, but we all know the benefits of aloe vera as well. So if you don't have aloe vera gel, you could make your own aloe vera gel at home as well. I do not know how to do. Okay, I have an idea of how to do that, but I do not feel like putting myself through such stress. But yeah, if you're saving some money, good. So I placed everything into a spray bottle. And yeah, so this is me. This is my arm. I really have bad stretch marks. I'm just gonna fast forward here because I want you guys to get all the info. I have it on my boobs, I have it on my side, I have it on my thighs, every single place, because I'm mostly losing and gaining weight, and that also stretches the skin. And I also have it at the back of my arms as well. So honestly, I use this mixture for not even close to a week because I didn't like the smell of it. And so I decided to now add it to my cream. If you're using organic cream, like maybe a shea or coconut oil mix, you can add this into your cream base and it's going to help. So my next upload is going to show you guys how I did mine with cocoa butter and shea butter. So I would love to see you guys in my next video. Like, share, and subscribe. I love you all. Mwah.